Hi guys, I was gifted these automotive zip ties from the seller so I can show you all about it. These are pretty cool. So what I'm going to use them for is inside a wheel well, where the plastic lining is. Sometimes those little uh, connectors come out or whatever. Well, you can use this to fix any issues that you're having on your car. It's just a little T zip tie here, so you would fit this in, and then it has this connector here that you would just slide on. Just like this, you can hear it's zip tying on, and you can't pull it off. See, look. It's super strong. So then after you get it on there, then you just cut the tail off. So let me go put it on my car and show you what it looks like in action. All right, guys, so here's where I'm going to use these new zip ties for automotive uses. I got a little, I don't know what this is, but it's kind of like one of the protective covers. It goes over your radiator. Anyways, I'm going to go ahead and, well, I put it on backwards, you can see. And so I'll flip it around there. You can hear it zip tied down, makes it nice and tight. And then I can just cut off the excess. I got another one over here. I need to do the same thing too. See if I can show you that. All right. I'm going to take the zip tie and put it through the grill here. And let's go ahead and do this one. Yep, got that one on backwards too. You know it's on backwards when it doesn't make no sounds. So all right, we got it all nice and tight now. Gonna go ahead and cut off the slack here. If you guys are doing any automotive work and need this style of zip tie, go ahead and get these. It looks like they're gonna work out great. Thanks.